Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice oxford white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a dual E-motor with standard battery range, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a max trailer tow package, and has a 9.6 kilowatt Pro Power Onboard. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera with a nice tailgate set. You even get a bed camera as well, a nice gripped platform running board, side view camera with lights, blind spot detection, and a place to plug in your vehicle, obviously, because it is an electric. We got that nice signature LED light bar that goes across the front of the vehicle with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a mega powered frunk, which you can use on the key fob, the button by the driver's side, or a button just conveniently right there, which allows you to have tons of storage where your engine's supposed to be. You do get storage underneath with a mobile power cord, hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, and all that fun stuff. You do get your little frunk light as well, your little escape if, you get stuck in here. Your outlets right there that you can turn on and off, and to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats with a carpeted interior. You got some cup holders, 2 USB-Cs and 120 volt, and of course you can lift up the seats for a split folding rear bench seat for more storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, as well as this being the only manual part. The same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of more door space up front. Got your frunk, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 39 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, touchscreen screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get a digital speedometer, and our distance empty on our battery, so we have roughly around 322 kilometers to your next charge, which is pretty handy. My view, trip and feel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. Over here we have our gear select, and it is collapsible. Storage, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, engine start stop, and we got your nice center console with tons of storage. Got your dual climate up front with heated front seats, 12 volt and 120. Some storage above and below. Storage right there. And looking down here, we got our hazards, traction, tune, volume, media, all that jazz. And your 360 view of the vehicle. And you can change the camera angles, which is pretty freaking handy. So we're just going to click into here. Got a nice view of your bed so you can keep an eye on your goodies. Make sure everything's in there, all that jazz. And looking at our audio, we have AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. You got your phone controls, navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, Pro Power Onboard, zone lighting, charge settings, drive modes, all that jazz. Apps such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, public charging, so it will find you your nearest charger, so you don't have to Google it on your phone. It's pretty convenient, actually. Settings, and your features of the vehicle, and we're just going to go into drive modes real quick, where we have normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road, slippery, one pedal drive, locking differential, hill descent. Thanks to that max tow package, you charge settings, Pro Power Onboard, and all that fun. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG13575, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.